If your Lincoln Navigator refuses to launch Apple CarPlay, a few simple software resets can fix the connection immediately. Over three-quarters of all smartphone projection issues stem from temporary software hangups in the vehicle's infotainment system. Before pulling any fuses or buying new cables, we need to force restart the system. Hold the radio power button and the seek forward button together for 10 seconds to force a hard reboot of your sync screen. If the screen reset doesn't work, ensure your iPhone hasn't restricted CarPlay under your device's screen time settings. Inside the sync menu, verify that your specific phone is explicitly authorized to use CarPlay in the device manager. Wireless CarPlay relies on a complex Wi-Fi handshake, while a physical cable connection eliminates most wireless signal interference entirely. Generic charging cables fail data transfers frequently, so always opt for a certified high-quality cord for wired connections. When connections stay broken, delete the pairing profiles from both the car and your phone, then pair them from scratch. Pocket lint inside your iPhone port can physically block the data pins while still letting the phone charge slow. Whenever Apple updates iOS, older infotainment firmware can struggle to connect until you run the latest vehicle software update. Hit subscribe to keep your luxury tech running smoothly, and drop a comment if this fixed your Navigator.